Hello guys, you're welcome once more to NEPH, your YouTube channel where we solve problems in maths. I'm your tutor, Mr. Poki. If you're new to this channel, you're highly and highly welcome. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and share the link of this channel to some student or friend or family member that the channel will be of help to, so that him or her is going to improve our skills in mathematics. Alright, without wasting much of our time, let's get right into this question. You can feel free to pause the video, attempt the question, and come back to the video. So our solution, okay, the first thing I want to do is I want to identify this problem. We are seeing, powers in the question. So we have to apply some principles of indices, okay? So the question says, y raised to power x is 81, okay? If y raised to power x is 81 and y is equal to 3 raised to power x, y is equal to 3 raised to power x. So the question says we should find what? We should find x. Alright, so if you look at this, okay, you can observe that we have equation 1 and equation 2. And something is connecting them, okay? Here it says our y is what? 3 raised to power x. And we have y here. So all we need to do in this problem is what? We are going to substitute, okay? Y is equal to 3 raised to power x into what? Equation what? Y. Okay? Now it means in place of y, I'm going to put 3 raised to power what? X. Okay? So let's put that. So in place of y, we have 3 raised to power x multiply x outside is equals to what? Our 81. So what would this give us? Okay, let's see. 3 raised to power x times x. Let's see what that gives us. So that is going to give us 3 raised to power x will multiply x, so we have is x squared, okay, which is equals to what? 81. Now the next thing is this. 81, we are going to express it in terms of 3. So how do we do that? Okay, let's see. Our 81, we are going to divide by 3. So 3 into 81, 3 into 8 is how many times? Is 2, which is 6. So mean that what? 2. So 21 is 7. 3 into 21 again we have is 9. 3 into 9 is 3. 3 into 3 is 1. So from this we know that our 81 is also 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. Okay, which is what? 3 raised to the power of what? 4. So we are going to substitute 81 as 3 raised to the power of 4. So we have 3 raised to the power x squared is equals to what? 3 raised to the power 4. Okay? So from this, what are we going to do next? Now I can see from indices, when you have the same what basis, okay, you can what? Compare. So if we compare this, we can see that 3 is equals to 3. So 3 is equals to what? 3. Okay. So we are left with what? X raised to the power 2 is equals to what? 4. Okay. Now from this, how do we find what? X? There are two ways. One, we know that 4 means what? 2 times 2. Okay. 4 is what? 2 times what? 2. And 4 is what? 2 raised to the power 2. So one way is we are going to express 4 in terms of what? 2 raised to the power 2. So I have x raised to the power 2 is equals to 2 raised to the power 2. Okay, if we compare this also, we can see that what? We can see that 2 is equals to 2. So x is equals to what? 2. That is one solution or one method. Or we have x raised to the power 2 is equals to 4. Okay, we are going to take what? Square root of what? Both sides. So we'll take the square root of both sides. Square root can cancel this. So we are left with x equals square root of 4 is what? 2. because 2 times 2 is going to give us what? 4. So this gives us the solution to this problem. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, send this video to somebody it may be of help to, or possibly send the link of this YouTube channel. Okay, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care. I'll see you. Bye.